How are you feeling? How's the leg?
It's okay.
Is it a little loose?
No, it's okay.
Paul, I think it needs to be tightened. Last one. I finished your book. You dirty bird. She can't be dead. Misery Chastain cannot be dead.
Annie, a lot of women died in childbirth in 1871. But her spirit is the most important part, and her spirit lives on.
I don't want her spirit. I want her. And you murdered her.
No, I didn't.
Who did?
No one. No one. She died. She just slipped away.
Slipped away? She didn't just slip away. You did it! You murdered my misery! I thought you were good, Paul. But you're not good. You're just another lying old dirty birdie. And I don't think I ought to be around you for a while. And don't even think about anyone coming for you. Not the doctors. Not your agent. Not your family. Because I never called them. No one knows you're here. And you better hope that nothing happens to me. Because if I die, you die.